Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, I'll guide you through AntBrowser features and its main functionality. Let's get started. AntBrowser is a specialized anti-detect browser designed for managing multiple accounts simultaneously while ensuring user anonymity. It's particularly popular among users who need to handle numerous profiles, such as those in marketing, social media management, and testing. Let's explore the main advantages of the browser. Team functionality that allows users to collaborate and roll back data using checkpoints. Capability to configure a digital fingerprint to simulate a unique device. Secure cloud storage of profiles enabling access from different devices. Bulk management and synchronization of browser profiles for efficient operations. User-friendly interface, making navigation and use straightforward. Now let's review the subscription plans offered by the browser. There are 4 different options available. The trial plan is free and allows new users to explore the basic functionality of the anti-detect browser. It permits the creation of up to 2 browser profiles, providing a taste of what the software can do. The base plan ranges from $3 to $52. It includes features such as profile transfer, proxy checker, transaction log, and teamwork capabilities. The cost varies based on the number of browser profiles you need, ranging from 2 to 500. The Pro plan, ranging from $33 to $425, expands on the base features by adding team creation and management capabilities. Additional features include a profile basket and an advanced proxy checker. Pricing depends on the number of browser profiles, which can be up to 5,000. The Custom plan includes all functionalities of the previous plans and allows for a customizable number of profiles to suit the user's specific needs. This plan also offers specialized support. Pricing for this plan is tailored and discussed directly with a sales manager. It's also important to mention that when purchasing plans for extended periods, the browser offers a discount on its services, ranging from 10 to 50%. This makes longer-term commitments more cost-effective. Let's go ahead and launch the browser to explore its interface. Upon launching, we're presented with a page displaying existing user profiles. The browser supports both individual and bulk profile creation. You can specify the number of profiles you want and configure additional settings, which will then be instantly created. To create a new profile, choose whether it's for a computer or a mobile device. Start by naming the profile and adding it to a group for easy management. For proxy configuration, click on the on-screen annotation in AntBrowser for a step-by-step guide. Assign time zone and language settings manually or automatically. Below this, you can set the browser start page, add status, and include notes. Navigate to the additional settings section to select an operating system from the available options: Windows, Linux Ubuntu, or Mac OS X, and a browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge Yandex, or Safari. Customize the screen resolution and adjust canvas, WebGL, and audio settings. Set WebRTC to assign a public and local IP, followed by geoposition settings, where you can choose automatic detection or manually set longitude and latitude. Select fonts, configure processor cores, RAM amount, and the number of audio devices. Add a pre-made interlock and heater if needed. Finally, assign a profile color for easy identification. Prepare your profile for logging into necessary websites by configuring the autofill settings. Next, you can add URLs of frequently used pages. These can be saved for personal or team use, aiding in workflow efficiency. Any created profile can be edited, cloned, or transferred whenever needed, providing flexibility and control over your digital environment. Let's take a closer look at other browser tabs. My Proxy. Here you can pre-configure individual proxies or a list of proxies in a format that the browser supports. You can also add custom headers for each proxy. My Heaters. This feature is designed to warm up your profiles, set tasks for the browser to automatically visit specified websites within a certain period to gather cookies, enhancing the profile's authenticity. My User Agents. In this tab, you can preload user agent templates that you plan to use in future browser profiles, ensuring consistency and ease of setup. My Interlocks. Add blockers to disable unwanted scripts on web pages, such as JavaScript, images, and CSS files. Simply name the blocker, define rules, and specify exceptions. My Journal. This section allows you to view and roll back actions taken by all team members over the last 7 days. It's invaluable for recovering lost profiles or files that were accidentally deleted. My Team. Create and manage your user team here. Share a team code provided at the top of the interface with potential team members, who can then join by submitting their applications. Once added, you can assign their access rights. My Payments. View a complete history of all financial transactions associated with your account, providing a clear audit trail. My Bookmarks. Preload URLs of necessary pages here, which can be used later when setting up new browser profiles. Bonus and promo codes. Activate bonus or promotional codes provided by the browser's administration to enjoy additional features or discounts. Affiliate program. This section shows all details related to your referral account. Users can earn money by attracting new clients through the browser's referral system. The top bar of the browser hosts several useful resources. Here you can find a page with frequently asked questions for quick help. For more direct assistance, there's 24-hour support available via Telegram. Additionally, you can download the latest version of the browser, access documentation, and read user reviews. Navigate to the Browser News section to stay informed about updates and read through the change logs. On the right side, you'll find the subscription management area. Here you can choose from available languages including Russian, Ukrainian, English, Chinese, Spanish, German, and Turkish. You can also switch between a light or dark theme for the browser interface. An important feature is the recycle bin, located at the bottom of the interface. Deleted profiles can be restored within 48 hours of deletion. After this window, they are permanently lost, so it's crucial to manage this section carefully. After reviewing AntBrowser, it's clear that this tool excels in managing a large number of accounts and offers unique functionalities not found in its competitors. Key features include action rollback, automatic page warming, and a robust blocker. The browser is well suited for both individual users and teams, and the flexible tariff system allows users to select the precise number of browser profiles needed. Additionally, anyone interested in trying out the basic features can take advantage of the free subscription plan. This makes AntBrowser an adaptable and user-friendly option for a variety of online activities. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.